This Volkswagen Passat won't accelerate, and loses power when driving. In neutral position, the RPM won't go up, even when pressing the gas pedal to the maximum. Let's read fault codes using VCDS scanner. No fault codes were detected. Let's check now for misfiring, using measuring blocks. The group 014 and 015 detect misfiring per cylinder. This 0 indicates no misfiring in this 4-cylinder engine. Since no important electrical fault codes are observed, then the following steps will be followed to solve the problem. Check for clogged or faulty fuel injector. Check for dirty or misaligned throttle body. Check for jump timing belt or bad tension. Clogged catalytic converter or exhaust system. Clogged air filter. Clogged fuel filter. Weak fuel pump. Poor compression due to valves leak or bad head gasket. We will check for all these possible reasons step by step. The first test is for fuel injectors. Remove the connectors of each injectors one by one and watch engine behavior. The engine should start vibrating. If you stop one injector and nothing happens, this means there is an issue with that injector. All of the injectors look to be good. Due to possible partial blockage, I will replace the 4 injectors. First, disconnect the battery to prevent running of the fuel pump. I am already having other 4 cleaned and tested injectors. Lubricate the O-rings before returning the injectors. Again, no change. The next step is to examine the throttle body cleanliness. It appears clean. Now let's test the alignment using VCDS. Engine off and switch on. Go to basic settings. Group 060. The adaptation is okay. This didn't solve the problem. Let's go to the next step. Now let's look for possible jump timing belt, which may happen due to intentioned or bad belt. If this happens, then it causes wrong timing between engine valves and cylinder compression. This may lead to engine damage. Look at timing marks at the camshaft wheel. and make sure it lines up with the marks at the crankshaft. Everything looks fine. Now check for blockage in exhaust system. Test the temperature along the exhaust manifold and catalytic converter. If there is significant temperature difference in specific area, then this indicates a blockage. The temperature is gradually reduces as you test away from the engine. So the exhaust gases flows normally. Now let's check the air filter condition. It's not bad but will be changed. The next step is to check the performance of fuel pump. Because I don't have the proper tools to measure the pressure of the pump, then I will replace it. I already have a used and tested one. Now let's check the RPM. This means the first fuel pump was weak, and didn't supply sufficient fuel, and causes this power loss. Now we can say, the problem is solved. Thanks for watching.